Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys fam? Struggling to find the perfect holiday gift this season? Well, me and Henry are here with the Chemical Guys 2023 Holiday Gift Guide to help you guys find the perfect detailing gift for that special car lover in your life. And if you guys didn't already know, we have our Chemical Guys 2023 Holiday Gift Guide available on our website. So all you gotta do, hit chemicalguys.com, hit that big banner that says 2023 Holiday Gift Guide, and we're gonna recommend you a ton of different categories that you can go ahead and choose from. And for the purpose of this video, we're gonna showcase some of those categories here today. So Henry, we're gonna kick it off with bestsellers. What you got?
Bestseller, and one product you must have in your Chemical Guys arsenal is going to be butter wet wax. Now, butter wet wax cleans, shines, and protects your paint. All you need to do, 5 dime-sized drops onto a microfiber applicator or your polishing pad, and then start working it in. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Come back, buff it out.
What surface can I apply it to?
You could apply it to glass, paint, wheels, anything that's glossy. So simply rub it on, rub it off, and enjoy that shine.
I love that. I love a good
How about you? What you got?
I'm actually gonna move over here because we have a soap fan favorite, which is one of our best sellers, and that is, do you know which one it is?
Mr. Pink.
Mr. Pink. Now, Mr. Pink, believe it or not, is one of our best sellers because it literally checks off one in every category. It's pH balanced and neutral. It foams up like crazy. It smells amazing. You can use it in a torque foam blaster, foam cannon, or even traditional 2-bucket method. And it's gonna be great because it's ultra concentrated and it's gonna give you that super deep clean for that super safe wash.
Joey, this is actually your gift.
This is for me?
Okay.
All right, well, this is for you.
Cool. Next category is going to be stocking stuffers. What are you gonna be adding to stocking stuffer?
I'd imagine like the little things. So, I mean, the cool thing is we have a ton of Chemical Guys air fresheners, and we also have a ton of little versions of them. So if you guys can see, Henry, you got a bunch of little 4-ounce air fresheners. This one that I just picked up is freshly sliced watermelon. You have things like new car smell, zesty lemon lime, cold hard cash, horchata, strawberry, fresh fade, banana, morning wood, you name it. If you can think about it, we got it.
I'm thinking more of like, go big or go home. So I might be adding like a 16-ounce.
You really want to stuff that
yeah,
stocking.
I really want to stuff that stocking. So something that I would be adding to someone's stocking stuffer is going to be Signature Series wheel cleaner. Now, Signature Series wheel cleaner, you think about it, every car has wheels. You need to clean wheels, right? Mind blown. So I'll recommend using like Signature Series wheel cleaner into a stocking stuffer. They must use this product to clean their wheels, right?
Clean their wheels, clean their tires.
Exactly. Everything. Because like going back to what you said, we have all these scents. What happens if you don't know what scent they like?
You get them one of each. That's what you do.
Next category, Joey.
The next category that we're gonna cover is detailing gifts for the newbie in your life. And Henry, I'm actually gonna point one out right over here. We're gonna make our way down the Chemical Guys store. You have people over there like Good Times and Parker over there. But moving on, we are going to be looking at the complete clay system kit. Now, this kit is perfect for any kind of detailing newbie, especially for someone who doesn't know what they're doing, because this is gonna include everything that they need to clean, decontaminate, wax, shine, and protect their paint all in one nice little convenient box.
What's in there?
So in this kit, you actually have a multitude of things, one being the butter wet wax, which you've already gifted me in a 16-ounce size, but this one actually comes in a 4-ounce size. And you can use that basically after you decontaminate your paint with the clay luber and the OG clay bar. And I kind of jumped the gun a little bit, but you would do that after you wash your car with Clean Slate, which is a decontaminated and wash. That's gonna strip away any kind of protectants like glazes, sealants, and waxes. So this is gonna be my gift for the detailing newbie.
I totally agree with you. And for anybody that's a newbie, let me borrow this.
For Jason the newbie.
I know, Jason the newbie. But if you guys do get lost in steps, we do lay it out very simple in the back. So step 1, wash, step 2, clay, step 3, wax, and the list goes on. So this is a perfect gift for the newbie. You're a professional, so we'll save this for Jason.
Yeah, where's Jason? It's right there.
He's right there.
With a new look.
That's not going in the video.
All right, Henry, moving on. What's your gift for the newbie?
I just agreed with you, but I'm just kidding. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second, okay?
Should I stay here?
You can stay right there. One thing that I would recommend for the detailing newbie is going to be a Foam Blaster 6. Now, Foam Blaster 6, you're not gonna need any special equipment to make this foam blaster work. All you need is a regular garden hose. You connect it to the bottom of the hose. You reconnect it. You add your solution of soap, like Joey said, Mr. Pink. Pre-fill it with water, add a 1 ounce of soap in here, and start foaming away and washing your car.
Do I need a pressure washer with that?
You do not need a pressure washer with this. This is just strictly a garden hose. like I said, remove it, attach your garden hose on here, attach it back on, and start foaming. And once you're done, rinse it away.
Remember I gave you a ball to Mr. Pink?
I already said that, Joey. All right, Joey, next category, gifts for the pros. So I'm gonna walk away, I'm gonna go get your gift. I'll be right back. You go first, okay?
All right, so I'm gonna gift Henry a torque polisher. Now I know he's a pro, which is why we're gonna go ahead and hook him up with a torque polisher. I don't know if he owns one, but we definitely have a ton in the back in the detail garage. But torque polishers are great ways to remove scratches, swirl marks, water spots, oxidation, scuffs, scratches, you name it. They're the ultimate detailer's tool, and we actually have a full line of torque line polishers. And you can also check them out on our website, and then it looks like Henry has my gift here already.
Yeah, so I also went big. I also got you an equipment. Now this is a ProFlow PM2000. This is actually a pressure washer.
It says pro, huh?
Yeah, you like that? No pun intended. But this ProFlow PM2000 is going to allow you to foam up your car, to clean up your driveways, clean up your house gutters. I know you love doing at-home series, and this is going to be a great tool that you could be using to wash your car
I love
and
foaming my car.
cleaning everything around.
All right, guys, and that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up. This was just a small selection of some of the very many different categories that we offer on our website for our Chemical Guys 2023 Holiday Gift Guide. We sure hope that this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to leave a comment down below. As always, my name is Joey. This is Henry. We'll see you guys in 2024 for the next Holiday Gift Guide.
Yep. Bye, Joey.
Sorry.